naturally blessed. Life, love, and passion. The party is on. Everybody low, low, low. On the party low, low, low. All girls go to get your people sharp. Let's party it up. Lock it up.
What up, boys? It's the YouTube sensation Jody Phones coming back to you live. Some of you may know this thing got accepted for Import Expo. So today and the following days, I guess, I'm going to get this thing ready to go. Alrighty, so part number one to get us going here. This is for you, Johnny. You've been telling me for years to do this. I have never done it. Bubble wrap. That's what we got for you, John. Damn. Those new though. So as you can obviously see, my headlights are super foggy and faded. I mean, they're 17 years old. What do you expect? So I gotta replace those. Then we got new hardware for the Aero kit because you're gonna see it's no buenos. So as you can see, they're freaking not so bad actually up here in the front, but if we go to the side skirt here, it's bad. So I never painted them, which should have, but I never did. So today we're gonna be painting them black. We're gonna put those headlights in. I gotta freaking remove the old headlights obviously and get a sealant out, then reseal them. I got a new shift knob because the Aero one's jank. New e-brake. I got Josh coming over on Friday to polish the car, so maybe you guys will meet Josh then, I don't know. I haven't decided yet. But he's coming Friday to polish the car up for the show, which is gonna be awesome. And oh yeah, my axle's broken. So I gotta get that fixed too. So it's not a snap, but I gotta pull it out, send it back to the machine shop tomorrow, and then hopefully I get back within a day because the show's on Saturday. Right now it's Monday. So I got a bit of work to do. Not the end of the world. All right, so first thing first, we'll take the wheels off. We'll get this axle out so I can send it to the machine shop tomorrow. Whew. Alright, so I think we're going to disconnect the coilover so we can pop the hub off to the side, and then we'll get this, well shit, I gotta get that off still. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna just try to put a piece of wood on the brake here, and then hopefully that holds that hub, and we can get that friggin' axle nut off. Gave her the old 1-2 cut with the angle, and this should do it. Hopefully. Alright. Not bad, that works. Holy crap. DeWalt, baby. Alright then, that's awesome. I'm glad she had some power. Alright, sway bar end link is out. There we go. Rotor is down. Alright, coilover is out. A little dirty, but not horrible. If you guys are new here, just so we can reference it for you guys. Yeah. 16K springs. They're like what, 4 inches tall? Wild. Alrighty, let's see if we can pop this out. Now we should be able to just pull this out and pop that axle through the back. Might wait. Might go to attach the last 2 bolts for the axle. I need a hoist. Oh, buddy, these are shitty bolts to get. Let me show you. So if we go past the exhaust pipe and we try to look, that bolt, I can't point to it, but you can imagine where the axle is right in front of you. There's a bolt up there we gotta grab, and there's a one down below. I think we have to disconnect one of the bolts to the dog bone mount. Not sure, but I'll figure it out and I'll show you guys the axle when it's pulled out. Okay, well after 20 minutes of me playing righty-tighty, lefty-loosey with myself, we finally got it out. All right, boys, here's the axle. If you guys don't know, these are my upgraded, supposed to be 500 horsepower rated axles. They're super strong, just the issue is because the car is so low over the years and I haven't got them rebuilt in the last 2 years. Well, you're gonna see here in a second. Usually the joint breaks right here on the joints because there's so much camber and stuff, right? But actually it broke here, which is actually a bit of a surprise because this is mounted to the actual engine. So there really isn't much strain here per se, but all the greases came out as you can see, so it's not good. I can feel the vibration when I'm driving. So that's gotta get fixed for sure. All right, boys, it's Tuesday. I got the axle back from the machine shop. Let's give it a listen. Much better. So I'll put that in, I don't know when. So today we gotta get the bumper off so we can get the canard brackets off. We'll take the headlights out. We'll take off the old friggin' lenses. We'll get the new ones on. And right now I got Zeus watching the paint booth for me. Getting all these brackets nice and black. So while we wait for that, I guess we'll get the bumper off then. Well, there's pretty much the front end on the friggin' workbench there, so not bad. We're getting there, boys. The nice thing about working on this is I don't have to really worry about if I wreck this lens or not taking it off, so. Come on, baby! And here's the air part. If you guys are wondering why it's black, I painted this black years ago, so. But it looks like it could actually use another spray. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's some dirt in there. So I might take the actual light out and respray this actually. Don't really want to, but I think I'm going to because it'll be best. Looks pretty good even with the plastic wrap on. Damn. So as you can see, the axle's all fixed. He actually repainted it for me too. Great guy. No more sound. If you guys in the GTA, you need axles, this is my man. give this guy a call. He's actually the best. All right, boys, that's a wrap for today. I don't know. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Much nicer with the black compared to the silver. So it's gonna look good. Obviously I got a friggin' bunch of work ahead of me. Gotta do the side skirts, gotta do the diffuser. Wish me luck. All right, boys, it's Friday. The car is pretty much finished up now. I just wanted to wait Wednesday and Thursday to make sure the headlights were all nice and sealed up and the paint was all nice and dry on the brackets. So finished product pretty much, other than we gotta wait for Josh to come polish the car. Headlights are looking crispy. All the hardware is on now. That's all nice and black. Finally, we needed this. And we got the interior all nice and done. We got the red shift boot now with the new handle, the e-brake. So it came together really well. I'm really happy with it. Hola, señorita. What up, dog?
Dun, 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 dun. Done. Like I had that music in the background. I'd love to come in on the fucking intro and be like, "What up, it's your boy Jaywalk, 225 Vermont Ave," you know? And then put dance instructor right underneath. Done.
What'd you bring for me?
Oh, half a chemical guys is in here.
This half the store?
This half the store. I have. Like, it was an awesome deal, but bro, there's at least 10 pads in there. Brand new pads.
Brand new fucking
All
polisher.
different compounds, brand new polisher. Comes with extra brushes in case I need to replace it down the road. Right, so the brushes haven't even been, no one's even been sweeping yet, buddy. So this is going on to the car right now. Honestly, it is just a very minor correction on the car.
Yeah,
we're not doing anything heavy. This is just bringing the fade back with a little more gloss, right?
Yeah.
Get that gloss in there, and then we're going over with the Hydro Slick, which is a ceramic coating hyperwax. That's what they market it as. Fresh off the polish, all I need now is with that ceramic to seal this up. We were balling.
How you gonna tell me we ain't gonna win a goddamn trophy tomorrow?
Car looks fucking good.
We fucking write it down.
Interior looks fucking good. All right, boys, the car's all cleaned inside and out. All the new parts ready to go. Big shout out to Josh for killing the friggin' polish today. Absolutely appreciate it. So next time you see us, we'll be at Import Expo. Peace.